Hello freelancer, from Fundo Verissimo, welcome to our second module where we will talk about one of the great monitoring software, also referred to as the Hikvision Hikcentral software. In this module, we will learn how to download this software, install it, and carry out the respective licensing. Since we need to configure alerts on the AcroSense camera and send them directly to a contact account. For monitoring, then, which monitoring center should we use? We will use a monitoring center from Hikvision as an example. The first step will be to download it from the Hikvision website. So let's head to the PC screen. Let's take a look here at the main site of Hikvision. Then, if it's Hikvision, it's very simple. We go to Products. In Products, we will have another label for Software, and in Software from here to Close. That's it. Also a product. We are in Software. We will find here a software from Hikcentral, and we click here to be able to download it. The download has already started. So let's see, here to accept all cookies. The great advantage of the Hikvision software is that it gives us 3 months free to explore the software. 3 months of free license. So let's download the license to our email so that after installation, we can then license the software to allow us to explore the device and work freely. During 3 months, it's enough time to explore the program and work. And to obtain the license, we go here to pre-try and apply for the free license here. And here we will fill in other details. Well, so they already sent me the license. We don't even have to do this, download the license and do the installation so we can then license it. The software here has a central license for 3 months. This is the code that we will copy to add the device. As long as this license. And it goes until the day. Headquarters of June 6th, June 4th of the year of 25. It's 3 months, or then one. Once we have already downloaded our program, we will now install it. It turned out to be very simple. It's just Netflix, where we will agree with the video team's terms, accept the place to continue. And we start the installation normally. Here, Central FINA, port 80. By default then, port 80 is occupied. We can change this port to 8081, for example. Here, 8081. And we will click OK. Then we will create a port 44.